This kind of reminds me of New Orleans with all those cute little courtyards they've got there. And if you want to see more videos like this, my website is tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. This is magical. As pictured at the beginning of this video, this is a place called The Weeds, located in Cedarburg, Wisconsin. It's so adorable. And there you have it. So my tomberkenmeyer.com website is full of things like this, as well as anybody that's interested in natural healing, chemical-free health, and organic wealth. Bye for now.